And really, also, I want to emphasize that AI is itself a tool. It is a type of tool. And as a tool, it has a place in your toolbox. There are good uses for it, there are not so great uses for it. But I want to take a step back and take a look at your entire toolbox because it's easy to focus and say like we need to use AI, and sometimes I think you can overlook what other kind of tools are available in your toolbox. All right, so number one, spreadsheets. They have some filtering capability. There's basic data analysis that you can do. If you can use formulas, you can get really good at using formulas. And also they're ubiquitous. So if you're working in a spreadsheet, it's a really safe assumption that you'll be able to share it and present it to others. So it's easy for collaborative work, basically, because just about everyone has access to spreadsheets, even if they don't have access to like Microsoft Office, for instance. And also there are some programmatic tools, and there are some actually really interesting, for instance, Python packages that exist that can do a lot of text analysis, natural language analysis, all sorts of data science type, statistical work. Um, in fact, one of my coworkers actually had put together a script in Python that she could pull out metadata information from HTML files for a client's published content, which was really handy, and it can put it into a spreadsheet for us. And what's interesting too is this is actually a really good use case for LLMs because programming languages are so structured, you can actually get pretty usable code out of it. Um, and another programmatic tool is in the command line, there's actually some good basic text analysis and text transformation functions if you're comfortable in working with the command line. And then also there's other apps and websites like for transformation or cleanup of large sets of data. There's tools like OpenRefine. If you're looking for something like a little WYSIWYG database, for instance, you could do something like Notion or Airtable. So don't get yourself stuck. Don't skip right to the end and get yourself stuck on LLM without, investigating like, okay, what other tools do we have available? What can we do without using LLM?